Oh, yeah, I took it down.
Oh, it wasn't a nice decoration.
Yeah. So, Blake, too bad your thing didn't work for you last night. Your practical joke with the powder.
I didn't feel like doing it. It would have been too mean.
Yeah. Well, just paybacks, though, right?
What?
Oh, dear God. Oh, that's...
Payback to a bitch.
Meg, why would you tell him? Meg, you're an idiot for telling him the practical joke.
Meg, what happened? Meg.
What happened?